As you could probably tell, today was a huge day and we made so much progress. I know for a lot of you guys, this is a huge step and has been a long time coming. We finally got all 4 fender flares on. I did not think we were gonna do it. They fit okay at best. Again, these flares are not made for this car. They're made for an earlier year Cressida. Even at that, I don't even think they would fit that well if I had an earlier year Cressida. These flares are really just not the best. However, I think that it's better to start with these rather than to start from scratch. It looks really good from afar. There's a lot of little stuff that we need to take care of. There's a lot of stuff you can see we're gonna have to trim and cut around for the bumper. That's gonna take a little bit. There's a lot of stuff like this where there's different body lines for this car rather than the car that these are meant for. So we're gonna have to cut all this out and reshape the flare. The same exact thing. And then we're gonna have to cut out for the door handle. Again, we are not gonna be molding these, and I am not going to be welding the door shut or anything like that. I'm going to make it so that if I drill out the rivets, I am able to open these rear doors. I will most likely do something under here, some sort of metal that has a drill here and a drill here, just so that you can't accidentally or purposefully open the door while the flare's on there, and obviously it would just ruin it. I am so happy with how far we got. The car looks awesome. We are so close to just moving forward and doing the aero. It's just these flares are honestly probably going to take several weeks to get them absolutely perfect. And I don't want to start building anything that touches these flares until they are perfect for obvious reasons. Obviously, because the flares aren't going to be the exact way they are now, I don't want to build the side skirts or the lip or anything else. So while I am, fixing these and making them just fit a lot better and mold to the body, not mold it, but you know what I mean, just shape it so that it fits along the body. I may be doing other stuff. Our taillights, I just bought taillights. Well, I bought them about a week ago, but it was on Yahoo auctions. If you don't know what that is, it's just eBay in Japan. And I bought these super rare taillights and they're super expensive and they should be arriving within the next couple of weeks. But I'm so excited to get this thing moving along. And I really hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I'm really putting a lot of work into this car. I had a lot of help today with my friends being able to film me and everything, but I know that there are gonna be several times where I am just gonna wanna work on this thing and just get stuff done. I know that this isn't the most exciting stuff, but today's video definitely should be a good one. Anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and peace out.